Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that has a dark and eerie feel, macabre. It might look confusing, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is macabre or macabre, depending on the dialect. Let's break it down. First we have ma, which sounds like the soft ma in mother. Next is ka, which rhymes with car, but is slightly shorter. Finally, we have bruh in some pronunciations, while others end it as cob, like cob in corn on the cob. Now let's put it all together, macabre or macabre. Try repeating after me, macabre. Now a little faster, macabre, and at full speed, macabre. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Macabre describes something gruesome, horrifying, or related to death. It is often used to refer to dark themes in literature, movies, and art, such as horror films, gothic stories, or eerie paintings. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce macabre and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.